Hello, my friends in Philippines. I love your country. Trust me, I love your country. I made travels many times in your country, though it is kind of short period of time, maybe 2 days, 3 days. First time I went there maybe 2004, then 2008, 2009, 2011, just a brief period of time. So today I made this video to say thanks to all of our Filipino clients. You are really awesome, and we cannot do the business without your help, without your support. Now still there are many Filipino friends, our clients. They are expecting more cooperations, and we are interested to do business with you. I'm trying to have a tour over there very soon, and we will have our own warehouse, so that's the plan. So if you are interested to do business with us, please contact with us. Now here I'm giving a great opportunity, great news for you today. Now what happened that there are many overruns that you hear and you see the post on the Facebook and WhatsApp and other things. So they are telling you that they will ship the product, or you have to pick the product from the Philippines, right? That is correct. So we had the factory, as I said, that we have the factory in Bangladesh, and we can you can ship that product to your country. So it's pretty cheap now. We have the standard packaging measurements. It's 36, 40, and 63, and it's only $22. It's just 1,050 pesos. So we will ship that package to your country, and you need to come to pick up for this. Okay. So before that, what is happening that many Bangladeshis or Filipino, they are buying from Bangladesh and taking it to the Philippines, and then you guys are buying. So there is a middleman here. So we want to do business, everybody. We want to do business with all the people. The business is competitive, and there is no objections that other people are doing business. Is good for us. We want to learn the business. We'll do the business together. But here, this video is to tell you that look, if you do the business with us, you are cutting the middleman, because we are the factory owner. Okay, we have our own warehouse, and we are shipping everything from our own warehouse. So that's a great opportunity for you. If you want to start your own clothing business, or you already started, you need inventory, you need first quality, best quality product, then you need to contact with us. You need to go to our website and see that how much you can afford, how many you can afford, and contact with us. We'll ship that product to you directly. Okay, so Filipino is a great market. Manila is a great market. There are many other cities. I know the Cebu is great. I like Cebu. You people are awesome. I mean, Filipino people are very easygoing. We love all of you. So again, if you want to buy any overruns or any stock loss or anything, buy it from us and cut the middleman. Okay, you don't need to go through the middleman and all of this. So you need to earn some kind of things that somebody can pick up the product from the ship, or from our station in Philippines, because we're shipping it from Bangladesh, from our factory to you. As you said that I'm an American businessman, everything is controlling from the Dallas. So if you have any other better idea, please contact with us. Okay, thank you very much. Looking forward to working with you. Thank you. Bye bye.